Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add professional signature to your Gmail account. Having a signature not only saves you time but also helps make your email look more polished and complete. Let's dive right in. First, let's start by opening our Gmail in the web browser. Head over to gmail.com and log into our account. So you can log in if you have not yet. So once you are logged in, look up to the upper right hand corner of the page, click on settings and go see all settings. You click on it. Now we're in the settings page under the general tab. Scroll down until you see the selection labeled signature. This is where you'll be creating your custom signature. To create a new signature, click the create button. A pop-up will appear asking you to name your signature. You can call it something like work signature or personal signature. So this one I'll say work signature. Create it. Once you've named it, click create. So we can enter the name that we want. So once you're done with that, we can make it bold, can italicize it, can change the color. So after you've customized your signature, you'll see an option called signature defaults, which is down here. Here you can choose automatically to include your signature in new emails and replies. So select the signature you just created for both the options. So you can either go on and click on this. Once you're happy with everything, scroll down to the bottom. So once you're happy with everything, scroll down all the way to the bottom of the page and click save changes, and that's it. So we are done with creating our Gmail signature. So once you're done with that, we'll bring you back to the inbox. So once you come and click on create new mail, you can see that our signature appears down there below it. So that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like and share the video.